Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how you can bulk create calendar events in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight. There are often when an IT admin needs to bulk create calendar events. Although Google Calendar by default has the option to import calendars. Here is the CSV format for a Google Calendar user to import events. But there is a limitation. We cannot import multiple events in multiple calendars. So there should be a way to do this. Here Foresight comes to help. Here is the CSV template that Foresight uses to create multiple events. You can see it has a calendar column, where we have calendar ID. In this way, we can create multiple events in multiple calendars. Let's see how Foresight helps in this scenario. First, let's have a look at 3 different users' calendars: Mr. Robert Torres, Ms. Laura Sample, and Mr. Doyle McKee. You can see their calendars are empty. Let's download that template file as CSV. Please note that for the demo purpose we are only creating 5 events, while in real cases we can create hundreds of events. Now follow these steps. Rule creation. Step 1. Sign into Foresight. Step 2. Go to the rule page and click the New Rule button in the bottom right corner. Step 3. Select the Data Uploaded trigger and upload the exported CSV file. After CSV is parsed, you can see the columns of the CSV. Now click Next and select the Create Calendar Event action. First, you may need to grant permission to Foresight in your Google Workspace account. Then in the Calendar field, select the Calendar variable. You have to select all the relevant variables in all the fields similarly. If you don't find a variable list, then type opening double curly braces. A variable list will pop up, then select the relevant variable from there. In some fields, you will see a predefined value. You have to remove that value and select the variable there. In some fields, you will see a variable icon on the right side. Click on that icon, and you will see the variables list. Then select the relevant variable. Step 4. Click Review, enter the rule name, and click Create. Triggering the rule. Step 5. Now click on the Upload icon and upload the same CSV file again. The process will take a few seconds. Verifying results. A notification will appear in the top right corner. Click on it and then click View Log. You can also go to the Logs page from the left sidebar. The logs show the successful triggering of the rule. Now, let's verify from those users' calendars. As you can see, all the users got their events. Match the created events with CSV according to their type. For example, Mr. Robert Torres got only 2 events. The first is a one-time event, and the second is an all-day event. Match the events for other users similarly. So you have seen how Foresight is helpful for Google admins, which makes their routine work fast and efficiently. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well.